So today is kind of a special day. An unplanned special day. Today is the day I will be saying goodbye to this cute little amazing room. Look at that bed. Oh, I've slept on there quite a few nights now. So I am very fortunate that the staff here at this amazing hotel, hold on, before I start throwing gratitude around, let me get my coffee. Okay. This hotel, the Costabella Tropical Beach Resort, is so amazing. Is it the nicest resort? I don't know. It's the first one I've stayed at since I've been to the Philippines. First is always the best. I guess that's the way I've always seen it. And it's the first one that always sticks in your head. So whether there's better ones out there, whether there's not, this is the one anytime I'm in Cebu, this is the one I'm going to be coming back to. And the main reason is not because of the beautiful landscaping, not because of the amazing swimming pools, but it is because of the staff. And the staff today are hooking me up. I still have 7 more days here in Mactan, Lapu-Lapu. And they contacted me yesterday as I was coming back from the night market and said, hey, we got a surprise for you. We've been checking out your Instagrams. We've been checking all this other stuff. They've been very, very nice and supportive watching my videos. And today, they are moving me out of this luxurious room. I mean, it's got a bathtub. To the very, very top floor into a massive room, supposedly, that has a beautiful, they said it's going to have a beautiful view. Better view than the swimming pool, which I can't picture anything else being more beautiful than the swimming pool. You should see the girls walking around there. But I think it's an ocean view. I think I might be able to, a rooftop room, possibly overlooking the ocean. I'm just waiting for them to come and get me now. I got everything packed, bags are packed, and I got to switch rooms. And I'm going to take you guys on a whole new room tour. This is going to be amazing. Costabella Tropical Beach Resort, you're making this trip amazing. And if anybody else in the world wants to come to Cebu, check out Lapu-Lapu, the park, the statue, go into Cebu City and check out Magellan's Cross, or Fort San Pedro and all this stuff. This should be your home base. Very affordable, very beautiful, and the wait staff, like I said, can't be beat. Well, I have some wait staff in Orlando that are pretty amazing too. You guys know who you are. But other than that, they make you feel like home here. Would you guys look at the new view from my roof? Is that better than viewing the swimming pool? Quite possibly. Okay, let's see what the room looks like here. Actually, I already put my bags in, so I already know. Oh. Wow, right off the bat. Excuse me. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I got bathrobes. Oh, I got robes in this room. Safe, places to put stuff. That is beautiful. What is this? Oh, that's where I could put my bag. Look how tall that thing is. Oh, so much nice stuff. Costabella Tropical Beach Resort. Wow. Nice. Okay, I gotta check out this bathroom. My last one was outstanding. Oh, goody, goody. My favorite type of shower. And still has a bathtub. We got a nice sink, plenty of supplies. Oh, does it have a cell phone, or it has a phone? Oh my God, and the world famous bum gun. I learned it's a bum gun. It's for your bum. It's not for washing your hair. Then you continue walking into what looks like, what in the heck? Would you look at the size of that bed? Are you kidding me? And it got a little elephant. Got an elephant. And what in the heck is this guy? An elephant? That's me, I'm assuming. That's me. I mean, come on. Look how big this bed is. Oh my God. This thing is ginormous. I never knew. You know what? I just noticed something over here. So out my front door, I got the most beautiful view of a little island, and they said low tide, you could walk out to the island, or you could swim if you want to, but you could swim out to the island. I think I'm gonna wait for low tide and walk out there. The water just looks so beautiful though. I kind of want to swim. But I got these massive doors here. What does that overlook? I'm guessing the pool. Let's see here. Oh my God. Oh my. This is insane. Holy smoke. Would you guys look at this? Would you look at the view out my balcony? Look at our beach. It's the Costabella Beach Resort front beach. Quite tranquil and beautiful. And just down below here, I get an awesome view of the swimming pools from way, way up top. But listen, I'm on the very top floor, but this isn't quite the very tippy top. No, there's still more to see. I could even go up higher, even though I'm on the very, very top floor. Oh my God, before I go in, check this out. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Would you look at these pools? Wow. Yeah, this place is beautiful. Just gorgeous. This is what blows me away, the size of that bed. And look at the backdrop back there, the headboards. This room is outstanding. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and show you guys even higher up, because supposedly I have a rooftop bar, and other things just above my head. And down below me, beautiful crystal clear aqua ocean. Okay, I'm assuming during the hurricane or typhoon they had, they took out the bar up here. But I do got this amazing, ginormous patio. No bar. Ooh, what's going on out there? What is going on out there? I have to say, the view I had before was outstanding with the swimming pool and stuff, but the view from up here, my new room view, I don't think it could get much better than this. I am on top of the world. Wow. This is just insane beauty. This is like the Caribbean on steroids. It is a little bit breezy. Hope my mic is blocking the sound. I think I'm gonna go there. Look, is that a tiki hut bar restaurant in the middle of the water? And if you look right to the side of it, there's another beach sandbar. Let's say the ocean is not your type of gig. That's not the view you want. If you had one of these rooms down here, you can actually overlook the mountains of Cebu. Cebu City is way off there in the distance. And those mountains are exactly where I'm going to be tomorrow. I'm going to be at the very tippy top, checking out an amazing temple. Really excited about that. But yeah, if you don't like the ocean, you can have this end room. This would be your view. I mean, you could still, this room here, you get the mountains and the sea. Well, once again, I want to thank the Costabella Tropical Beach Resort here in Mactan, Lapu-Lapu, just outside the city of Cebu. In Cebu, God, that's just a lot of words. It's not like I say Sumter County, Wildwood, Florida. It's like you don't put all that together, but here you do put everything together. But thank you guys so much for doing this upgrade. You guys are so nice and so supportive to my channel and so supportive to every other piece of social media. This is amazing. I love it, and I can already see myself booking to come back. I was planning on checking out other islands first, but I think my next trip, you guys got me sold, man. You got me sold. This is beautiful. So everybody else out there watching this video, other than the people here at the Costabella Tropical Beach Resort, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you're planning a trip to the Philippines, Google them. They do. If you do Google travel and stuff like that, you'll find this specific resort right here in Mac 10, Lapu-Lapu. It's definitely, it's a perfect location. Perfect to get out, take a cab and do things, which I'll be doing here shortly. So until then, I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out, everybody.